everyone. Welcome back to another Smart Learner Geography lesson. In the previous lesson, we introduced climatology and meteorology. We also learned about the atmosphere and its layers. Today, we continue our study of the atmosphere by examining solar radiation and temperature patterns. The sun is the main source of energy for the Earth. Without the sun, the Earth would be cold, dark, and unable to support life. Energy from the sun travels through space and reaches the Earth in the form of solar radiation. In this lesson, we shall explore how solar radiation hits the Earth and how it influences temperature patterns across the world. Energy from the sun travels through space and reaches the Earth in the form of solar radiation. This solar energy hits the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. It is the driving force behind weather and climate. But the sun does not hit every place on Earth in the same way. Some regions receive more solar energy, while others receive less. These differences in heating create variations in temperature across the world. In this lesson, we shall examine how solar radiation reaches the Earth and how it influences temperature patterns. Not all the solar radiation that reaches the Earth is used in the same way. Some of the incoming solar energy is reflected back into space by clouds and by bright surfaces, such as ice and snow. Another portion of the solar energy is absorbed by the atmosphere. Gases, dust particles, and water vapor in the atmosphere absorb part of this energy. A large amount of solar radiation is also absorbed by the Earth's surface, including land and oceans. When the Earth's surface absorbs this energy, it becomes warmer. The warmed surface then releases heat back into the atmosphere. This exchange of energy between the sun, the Earth's surface, and the atmosphere helps to control the temperature of our planet. We have seen how solar radiation reaches the Earth and how part of this energy is reflected or absorbed. The amount of solar energy that actually reaches the Earth's surface is known as insolation. Insolation simply means incoming solar radiation. However, the amount of insolation received is not the same everywhere on Earth. Some regions receive more solar energy, while others receive less. These differences occur because of several factors such as latitude, altitude, cloud cover, and the angle at which the sun's rays strike the Earth. As a result, temperatures vary from place to place across the world. Understanding these variations helps geographers explain the temperature patterns of the Earth. Before we conclude this lesson, let us briefly review what we have learned. The sun is the main source of energy for the Earth. Energy from the sun reaches the Earth in the form of solar radiation. Some of this energy is reflected, while some is absorbed by the atmosphere and the Earth's surface. The amount of solar energy reaching the Earth's surface is known as insolation. Because insolation varies from place to place, temperatures also vary across the world. To deepen your understanding of these concepts, refer to Activities 9.2 and 9.3 in the Smart Learner Senior 6 Geography textbook. In the next lesson, we shall study the factors that influence temperature distribution across the Earth. Thank you for learning with Smart Learner. Goodbye for now.